If you've ever looked at your roof, you'll probably notice it's not just a flat surface covered in shingles. There's pipes, vents, chimneys, and other components sticking through it. Those areas are called roof penetrations, and they happen to be some of the most vulnerable parts of your entire roofing system. The reason they're so important is simple. Every time something passes through your roof, it creates an opportunity for water to get in if it's not properly protected. I'm Bill Ragan, and I've been solving problems with homeowners for over 35 years. Today I want to explain what roof penetrations are, why they matter, and what homeowners should know about them. Let's get into it. What are roof penetrations? A roof penetration is anything that comes through your roof. Some of the most common examples include plumbing vent pipes, exhaust vents, attic fans, skylights, solar panels, satellite mounts, and chimneys. Simply put, if it pokes through your roof, it's considered a penetration. Why are roof penetrations important? Roof penetrations play a key role in the functionality of your home's internal and external systems. Each one has a specific function, whether it has anything to do with the roof or not. When it comes to roofing, the main penetrations are vent pipes, chimneys, skylights, and exhaust vents. How are roof penetrations protected? Some of the most common roof leaks happen around penetrations. Each penetration should have flashing and another material like ice and water shield specifically designed to prevent water intrusion. For example, plumbing vent pipes usually use pipe boots while chimneys require flashing. If flashing deteriorates, sealants fail, or components become damaged, water can flow down through the penetration into your home. In fact, the roof itself can still be in good shape, but a problem around a penetration can lead to a roof leak. Paying attention to these details, especially around the penetrations, is what helps your roof stay watertight for years to come. How do roof penetrations affect roofing cost? Roof penetrations are always factored in when estimating cost. Smaller pipes or vents won't add that much to the cost, but bigger penetrations such as skylights and chimneys can add quite a bit. However, the more penetrations your roof has, the more labor and material costs increase. The material costs go up due to the amount of vents, flashing, boots, ice and water shield, and anything else required to ensure they stay leak-free. Labor costs are impacted simply because each penetration has to be worked around and sealed properly, which factors into production workload and time to finish. Summary of the key points. Roof penetrations are any components that pass through the surface of your roof. While they're necessary for your home's functionality, they also create some of the most vulnerable areas in a roofing system. That's why proper flashing, installation, and maintenance are so important. Understanding roof penetrations helps you see that a roof is much more than just shingles. It's a complete system with multiple components working together to keep water out and protect your home. If you want to learn more about how roofing systems work and what to look for before replacing your roof, watch our next video on roof ridge capping. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can continue helping homeowners just like you. See you on the next one.